Hi first graders, today we are doing lesson 14-2 and we are going to be talking about how we're going to define 2D shapes. It's very similar to what we talked about yesterday. Remember, right? Shapes, how do we identify them? We talk about their sides, so the sides of the shape. We talk about the vertex, which is the corners of the shape, right? So today the question is, are all these figures, all these triangles, all these figures the same kind of shape? And tell me, how do you know? Make sure you use words like sides and vertices, okay? Okay, so one thing you gotta remember is that shapes are defined by their sides and the vertices. It doesn't matter about the color, okay? It doesn't matter how they are. So this, boys and girls, is a triangle. Can you see this one? Hold this one. This is a triangle. It's a triangle because it has 3 sides and it has 3 vertices. If it sits like this, it's a triangle. If I hold it sideways, it's still a triangle. If I stand it on its point, it is still a triangle. Okay? So it doesn't matter in what position it's in, it's still a triangle. Now, let's say the triangle got a little thinner, like this blue one. Can you see? I'm trying to hold it right. Blue one is a little thinner. It's still a triangle because it has 3 vertices and has 3 sides. And that's how we define the shape. This flat side right here is a rectangle because it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Okay? So let's look over here. For do you understand? They want you to draw 4 hexagons. Okay? And then after you draw the 4 hexagons, just as a reminder, a hexagon has 6 sides. All right, so you can try to draw 4 different ones. So I'm going to draw a fat one. I'm going to draw a skinnier one. Oops. I'm going to draw a really thin one, like at the top. Still a hexagon. Okay, so you guys draw 4 and tell me, using the word sides and vertices, how do you know they're all hexagons? All right, so for number 1, all squares. So think what's true about the shape. Does all squares have to be blue? No, all squares do not have to be blue. Do all squares have to have 4 equal sides? Yes, that's true. Do all squares, do they have to be closed shapes? Yes, they have to be closed. If it's open, it's not a square because then it wouldn't have 4 equal sides. Do all squares have to be small? No, because a square could be big, right? So no. So those 2 are the only thing that is true about all squares. Let's look at the next page. All right, same thing about triangles. Same thing about circles. Remember what I said. It's about all of them, so don't get tricked, okay? Now for number 4, Tim says that this is a triangle. Is he right? Tell me why or why not. So you can remember what Ms. Parker said about 2D shapes. In order for them to be a triangle, circle, a square, should they be closed or open? Think about that, okay? Have fun, and I'll see you later. Bye.